Today we're talking about spontaneous versus responsive desire, why one is culturally favored and why the other is so often misunderstood. If you've ever felt broken because you don't want it first, I want you to hear this very clearly. Nothing is wrong with you. Let's talk about how desire actually works. Many people come into conversations about desire already believing something is wrong with them. They feel broken, behind, or incompatible because their desire doesn't show up the way they think it should.